Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need an email, payment method ready, and a compatible device. Once done, open Geforce Now Sign Up. Choose free or priority. Free limits session length. Priority adds RTX access and priority queues. Make sure you understand why linking game stores matters. Geforce Now streams games you already own, so connecting Steam, Epic, or Ubisoft unlocks your library. Enter a valid email, create a password, then confirm your address. This gets you to the dashboard, where you'll link. Once signed in, go straight to account, then connections to link your game stores. You must authorize each store so Geforce Now can see own titles. When prompted, log into Steam, Epic, or Ubisoft and grant the minimum access. This does not transfer games, it only lists them. Make sure purchase games appear in your Geforce Now library. If a title is missing, reauthorize or check store region. This step prevents wasting time launching games that won't stream. You're ready to launch. Pick a supported title and start at lower settings to confirm performance. If you encounter stutter or disconnects, switch Geforce Now server regions, enable adaptive quality, or lower in-game graphics to reduce bandwidth and latency. Make sure your router firmware and device drivers are current and check NAT type. Strict NAT can block connections. If sign-in fails, clear browser/cache or try the desktop app. That single troubleshooting tip, change server region, fixes most streaming issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.